Cold climate gardeners know September marks a significant shift in focus. Now is the time to prepare your garden for the coming seasons. We'll explore crucial steps to ensure a healthy, pest-free spring. This period is ideal for sowing and planting cool season vegetables. These can flourish even under the threat of frost. Arugula planted from seed can be easily transplanted if it bolts. Transplanted kale and Swiss chard will continue growing right through the fall. These hardy plants offer a late-season harvest. Stepping into your garden, everything often seems peaceful and tranquil. Seedlings peek out, and new transplants raise their leaves to absorb sunlight. This picture-perfect scene can quickly change. The next morning, you might find holes chewed into leaves. Plants may wilt or yellow from pest or disease attacks. Many of these issues can be avoided with simple, preventive steps. The key is a proactive approach to gardening. Emphasize healthy plants by providing rich organic compost. Amend your soil as needed with other supplements like lime or compost tea. Consistently apply water and add mulch for drainage. Regular monitoring helps identify problems early. An annual fall cleanup is essential for controlling vegetable pests. This includes squash bugs, borers, cabbage worms, and cucumber beetles. Pull out spent vegetables and remove weeds. Place plant debris on your compost pile or in a brush recycling bin. A large compost pile can heat up faster with vegetable scraps. This also helps eliminate unwanted insects from your garden. Preventing bagworm egg masses from hatching in spring is also vital. Harvesting them early eradicates an often overrunning insect problem. If aphids attack your tomatoes or beans, consider supporting beneficial insects. Ladybugs and lacewings prey on aphids naturally. Avoid dousing everything with pesticide. Eliminating beneficial insects impedes your garden ecosystem's ability to self-regulate. This can cause future recurrence of problems. Careful steps are needed to preserve biodiversity. These quick wins won't eliminate all plant disease and insect problems. However, they will certainly help, especially in vegetable gardens. Fungal pathogens often pose severe threats to vegetable crops. Set aside a beautiful fall day to incorporate these strategies. Enjoy those delicious veggies you've worked hard to protect. You might wish to till the garden before planting. However, be careful not to disturb the top inch of soil. That layer holds the eggs of many vegetable pests. Disturbing this area exposes these eggs and weakens their protective shells. Tilling can also expose plant roots to diseases and parasites. These might otherwise remain hidden from view. If your vegetable garden beds haven't been amended with compost in a while, add some now. This can reduce weeds while simultaneously building fertility over the winter. Perennial flower gardeners typically leave their plants standing through winter. This is done if there have been no disease or insect issues. It provides winter beauty and food for birds and pollinators. It also offers protection for beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings. These insects feed off of aphids. By the third week of September, it's time to bring houseplants inside. Do this before your furnace kicks on. Start by giving them a thorough cleaning and checking for insect pests. Repot pot-bound specimens into larger containers while they're still flexible. This task can even be enjoyed outdoors on sunny days. It helps plants adjust to lower light levels and humidity indoors. Fall is the ideal time for sowing cover crops in garden beds. Clover, rye, and oats are excellent choices. They enrich the soil while deterring pests and aiding with weed control. Seeds for these cover crops can either be broadcasted or drilled. Increase their seeding rate by 20 to 50%. This compensates for poor soil contact, seed predation, and residue interference. Add cover crop seeds into the garden as part of an interplanting plan. This deters insect pests and increases beneficial insects. For optimal results, rotate crop families each season. This disrupts pest life cycles and creates new food sources for predatory insects. Organic mulch, such as grass clippings or shredded leaves, protects soil. It guards against heavy rainfall, heat, and weed growth. However, this type of organic mulch does not prevent all insect pests and mites. Some pests feed on crop roots. An alternative is using frost protection with integrated pest management. Woven row covers provide frost protection as part of mechanical control. These are available at garden centers or hardware stores. Use them to cover transplants, seedlings, or delicate crops like kale and spinach. Row covers made of woven materials come in various grades. They are designed to repel specific insect pests like cabbage maggot and box elder bugs. Ideal rows of vegetables should be covered before pest activity increases in spring. If pests begin laying eggs and hatching, row cover can be removed. This protects vegetable crops and helps break up compacted or crusted soils.